What's going on, guys? D5, it's your boy, Start on Breezy, baby. Start on Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Start on Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a bluesy. Yeah, baby. You hear that? That's the Birdman hand, baby. I do this for Big Gladys, boy. Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. Woo! Boy, hey, man, how y'all doing today, man? Reverend Breezy is in the building. Don't nobody do videos on the weekend, baby. Saturday and Sunday? Your boy do. You understand what I'm saying? That we hip. But anyway, let's get to this money, man. But first of all, hey, shout out to Mean Gene Okerlund, man. Hey, man, some of y'all, my OGs, y'all go back with me. A while ago, I lost my left flip-flop, man. I did. I lost my left flip-flop, man. I just been hobbling around. Nobody could find it, man. But Mean Gene Okerlund found it, man. Shout out to you, Mean Gene. Got my flip-flop back. But look, man, I'm about to tell y'all something really powerful. I've been cracking myself up. I gotta let me get right. I'm finna show you something real powerful, bro. Real powerful. Check that. You need this, bro. I don't need this. You need this. You understand what I'm saying? I do this for y'all. Cause I want y'all to make it and get rich, bro. I'm finna show you something, right? So check this out. Because a lot of people, like when the price of drip was $4.47, I told you, you need to load up. You need to load up, bro. This the time to load up or roll out. But this the time. I told you. I got it on camera. I got it on video. I'm the only one been down with drip since day one. $100 up to $180, $100, $20, $4, make videos every day. I'm the only one. Nobody. I don't care who you bring. Nobody has been down with drip and bringing positive videos every day except me. You understand what I'm saying? Now look, so when I tell you something, you need to listen to me now, because I'm about to show you something very powerful. Okay. So we know the people that bought at $4, $5, $6, they good. They straight. They out of here. You know what I'm saying? They good, right? But check it out. Everybody, you got the haters always talking about, what about the people that bought at $100, $150, blah, blah, blah. I'm finna show you something. For those people, let me show you something. This is what you need to do, right? And it's foolproof. Check this out. Let's say you bought drip, and I'm keeping the numbers even just so the numbers can be even. I ain't finna be talking about, $50.12 and not look. Let's say you bought one drip at $100, right? That means you can pay, and I ain't talking about the taxes and all, we're just gonna keep it even. That means you can pay on one drip. You got one drip, and you get paid on that one drip at $100, whatever it is. It went down to 10, whatever, right? Now, check this out. All you gotta do, bro. Now, this is the most powerful thing you're gonna ever hear about this platform. All you gotta do, take that same $100 you paid for that one drip. See this? $100. Now, if you buy drip now, you will 10x your gains. Check this out. That $100, that same $100, right? Divide that by $10 drip. You will get 10 drip. Think about how powerful that is. Before you spent the same $100 and you bought one, you would have a one right here. You got one drip, right? Now you take that another $100 and you buy drip. Now you're going to get 10, give or take. Price changes, it might be $9, might be $11, but you get what I'm saying. Now you're going to be getting paid on 10 drip. You've 10 extra own gains. You don't need no referrals. You don't need, bro, but you have to be focused. You have to be disciplined. And most of all, you got to take action. It's the same $100 you spent on one drip. You put the same, however many BNB that is, 0.5 or whatever that is. The same $100, bro. And the best part about it is if the higher you bought, the more exponential gains you're going to get because the more X you're going to get. Let me explain. Let's say you bought, and Drip didn't even make it this time. Let's say you bought one drip at $200, right? You still got one drip. You paid $200 for one drip, right? $200. Now let's say you take $200 now and buy drip. Divide that by 10. You're going to get 20 drip. So that one is going to change to 20. You've 20x your own gains. There's no excuse not to make it in this platform, bro. You spent $200 to buy one. You spend $200 now to buy 20. That's $400. That's barely one BNB. If that's going to break you, you don't need to be in crypto. I'm sick of broke people with all these excuses, man. This platform is not, bro, there's a reason other platforms are failing. This is not real. This is not consistent. This is not supposed to be. This has failed before and it's failing after. Drip is the only one that's making this work, bro. You have to be focused or you're not going to make it. Whether you believe it or not, bro, we over here getting rich. I'm good. I don't have to show you this. I'm showing you this because everybody can make it, bro. Everybody can make it. And not just, let me show you something else. Show you this piggy bank animal farm. This is a part of the animal farm, bro. Everybody keep talking about the animal farm pause. No, the farms are paused, but the piggy bank is a part of the animal farm. So half of it is still working. And it is working gloriously, flawlessly. You see it. You see these numbers. These numbers will be good just on their own. I can get all this right now, which I probably will. You know what I'm saying? I got to roll that. I can get that one, zero. That one. I get another $100, another $76, another $91. What else is that? Another $350. That's all. You know what I put on that was same amount. I took out $1,200. Now I got $350 more. This thing is a broken ATM machine, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Same developer, same ecosystem. I'm still waiting on somebody to show me a better ecosystem, bro. Period. Nothing is better than the drip ecosystem. You ain't got to be trying to snipe nothing, worry about no maximizers and detonators and all that. Nothing against that stuff. That's fine and cool if you're making money. Drip, you just come and collect. You deposit and collect. Deposit, compound when you get ready, claim when you get ready. You can do it, hey, all day long, baby. It ain't went nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. I don't know what you want me to tell you, bro. Flawless. Oh, let me show the pig. I'll show you the pig. Here we go. See what we got. Same 88. Now, when I collect that other, I'm probably going to come on top of that, buy me some pigs. Let me see the pig right here. 83 now, you know what I'm saying? Get ready for the games and all that. See, withdraw pig. Let me see how much I got. 22.95. That's pretty much 23 pigs. What a calculator. Let's see. 23 times, what, 83? 1,900, bro. On top of what I just showed you in the piggy bank, top of what I just showed you in drip. I ain't even showed you drip guard. What you want? There's no ecosystem better. And it all starts with the drip faucet. All you gotta do, bro, is go into the drip faucet. Period. That's it. Everything else will take care of itself. There's not an ecosystem better. I don't care what no YouTube, what nobody tell you. Facts over feelings, baby. I'm showing you right. Facts over feelings. But let's keep it moving, shall we? Check on the old BNB miner. Still going. 509 days. What you want me to say, bro? I just got the magic touch, baby. Anyway, what we got? 4 BNB right here. The contract just dipped on the 5,000. It's going down very slow. It's still paying out, bro. Watch this. See, I got the 3. That 4. I ain't gonna even count the little chain. What that turned to a 7. Ain't no pimp at the door. None of that. Pause this because this thing be taking all day. Watch, it's gonna be a 7 right there. Why didn't I? None of all that. Well, we got to change it because the whales. Stop complaining about whales and become a whale. How about that? How about that for a train of thought? You ever thought about that? And you can do it too, bro. With Drip Network, boy, nothing is stopping you from becoming a whale. So you might got to shut down your computer, bro. Put them blinders on and just accumulate. Oh, look at that. No pimp at the, oh, it's the whales. Oh my God, let's track the wallet. It's the whales. Oh my God. Little crybabies. Let's jump on over here to Avalanche. Let's see what I got here. I got a couple to collect. That's 2.3 plus that right there. That's what? That's 2.5 BNB. I just collected 4.4. What? That's about 7 BNB. You do the math. I ain't got to touch my drip. I ain't got to touch my piggy bank. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you got to put them blinders on to make this money, baby. And I got tokens I ain't even staked. I don't come over. Hey, man, look at this. I got 198,000 tokens I ain't even got staked. I got to do better, bro. I got to do better. But the BNB side is paying. Look at that, bro. You can add. Look at that. 1, 2, 1.8, 1.2, 2.8, 2.3, 2.2, 3.4, 1.4, 1.5. You know what I'm saying? Like, what you want me to say, bro? Look at that. 5, 1.3, yeah. 12. You know, what you want me to say, man? 83, 13, 13, 13. The BNB side is paying out. I need to go on to collect before I forget, but I'm going to show you the BUSD side. They got to do better on the BUSD side, bro. I don't know. They must have 2 different devs doing 2 different platforms or something, bro. Because the BUSD side, bro, they leave a lot to be desired. I don't know why y'all throttling down. I got 2 to collect. That's what, $150 or something? Like, bro, come on. They got over $1 million, bro. They got over $1 million in the pot. $1.184 million. But they got it on trickle. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got divided up $300 between everybody. Come on, man. Turn the faucet on. I got tokens over here I got to stake. Well, I mean, it's paying, but dog. Come on, man. Got $1 million in the pot just sitting there. Everybody sitting back trying to make some money. Come on, man. The BUSD side is killing it. Killing it. Still. And it still got what? 8,900 in the pot. So the platform is healthy. They just got to turn that faucet up on that BUSD side. They supposed to be coming with a miner or something. So I don't know, but I got to remember to stake my tokens, man. I'm going to collect this rest of this BNB. You know what it is, man. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. A lot of y'all, YouTube tell us these analytics. Y'all watching, but you ain't subscribed. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. I'll back at you, boy, man. Oh, my flip-flop feels so good. I got a tan line, too, you know. In case you didn't know, I'm black, so a lot of y'all didn't know that, but I'm black. I'm black. I got a tan line on my flip-flop on my feet.